Let's unbox the Crustello starter bowl and start our first sourdough with it. If you already have a strong, active sourdough starter, or someone has gifted you a piece of theirs, you're one big step ahead. Today, we're going to use that living culture to begin a fresh starter in your Crustello starter bowl. Start by placing 50 grams of your existing sourdough into the bowl. This is your foundation. It already contains a thriving community of wild yeast and lactic acid bacteria, which means you skip the unpredictable early days and jump straight into an active, stable fermentation. Next, add 100 grams of water and mix thoroughly with your spatula until fully combined. Then add 100 grams of white flour. The white flour gives the microorganisms fast access sugars for energy. Mix everything together, scraping down the walls of the bowl so no dry flour remains. Place the lid on the bowl, remove the orange sealing cap, and attach the Crustello sensor. We advise you to fully charge your device before use, after which you will need to connect your device through the app. Click on Account, then enter the tab Sensors and click on the Plus button to add a new sensor. Check your sensor's serial number and find it in the list of devices. Click on Connect and configure your Wi-Fi. Personalize your sensor's name and save it. Your device will appear in the list of sensors already connected to your account. One way to start your recording is through the device. Choose Sourdough from the menu, then add your ratio. In our case, it's 1:2:2. Enter the amount of starter you added, in this case 50 grams, and click Start. The other option for recording is through the app. To create a new sourdough, click on the plus button at the bottom. Select a name and add a note if needed. You have the option to turn notifications on or off for each recording. Set a specific rise level at which you'd like to receive an alert. Select your sensor and click Continue. You will see your newly created sourdough in the list. Click on it and press the Start Recording button. Enter your feeding ratio and starter weight, then save it. Once the sensor starts recording, you'll be able to track all the key data for your sourdough. Here you can edit your recording, manage your notifications, and delete it. You can also log each feeding. Simply tap the Feed button and enter your desired values. All feedings will appear at the bottom of the screen, along with their time, ratio, and detailed data so you can easily track them. You can also access your sourdough history, where you'll find graphs and insights to help you analyse how your starter develops with each feed.